This is a nice fun one, should be done quite fast. 2 tap springs, shuffle step, shuffle hop step, shuffle toe toe, hop step, jump double wing. And again, go back and look how to do wings. So I'll mark it for you one more time. 2 tap springs, shuffle step, shuffle hop step, shuffle toe toe, hop step, jump double wing. And so those 2 hop steps should start your body elevating, ready for the jump double wing. Do not attempt a double wing unless you've watched my video or know how to do it. Let's try with some music. Amalgamation A4. Now this can be done as a nice medium tempo or indeed very fast. So the choice is yours. Again, you could do it down the room or change directions on each step. 3 tap steps, 3 tap springs, 2 spring ball changes, light little waltzes, 1 step ball change and 1 tap step ball change, and that's it. So again, you could do it round the room. I'm doing it on the spot so you can see all of it clearly, or you could do each new step that I say in a different direction. Don't forget, most of these you can travel on, such as the spring ball changes for the waltzes. You could turn them or travel, whatever you like. And don't forget, you should be using arms at least by now, so change your arms on every step. So one more time, 3 tap steps. Again, you can travel on those. 3 tap springs, 2 spring ball changes like little waltzes, 1 step ball change and 1 tap step ball change. Let's try with the music.